Speaker is Youn-Sup Cho from the Fruit Research Institute in Korea, speaking on the effect of soil physical property and fruit quality, followed by subsoil breaking in with kiwis.
Hello, everybody. I'm from South Korea, Youn-Sup. I'm working with Kiwifruit. I'd like to talk about the subsoiling effect on in organically converting kiwifruit orchard. The root system of Actinidia genus is well suited to the moist and well aerated soil conditions. However, most Korean kiwifruit orchards have been built on very dry and compact soil, even on a highly hilly land. Haegeum and Gong province is one of two major representative kiwifruit cultivating area, which have BYC2 soil type according to the USDA soil classification manual. So recently, due to the very bad soil conditions, countless vines are dying, and that is directly affected by the swallow soil surface and poor drainage and waterlogging after rainfall in summer season intensively. And frequent machine traffic and bad soil conditions also make situations worse. As you see the photo, the most kiwifruit root systems are confined in 20 centimeters beneath the soil surface, so easily dying, and they are vulnerable to the external stresses. Meanwhile, the organically converting orchard has lower yield and a little bit poor fruit quality. That's the normal. That is the normally described, and this is directly affected by the no use of fruit growth stimulate and soluble fertilizers. Nowadays, subsoiling is practiced by the orchardists from time to time in Korea to overcome swallow hard fan breaking issues and also improve some soil porosity, so allowing roots going deeper. And they help promote growth and yield in short term in conversion period. As you see the photo, some orchardists do soil drilling and hard pan to in advance before doing subsoiling jobs, and in some cases orchardists put some pelletized compost into the drilled into the hole and attract microbes going through prospering and following the compost decomposition processes. Our experimental orchard was located in Haenan province, and the orchard was all covered with hairy vetch as green manure in the previous autumn, and the varieties was 6-year-old gold kiwifruit Haegeum, top grafted on a mature Hayward vine, green kiwifruit. The soil type was belongs to BYC2, which consists of 33% clay in topsoil and 46.7% clay in subsoil between around 15 and 25 centimeters. For fertilization, every vine received 60 kilo organic compost, which contained 45 moisture and 1.96% nitrogen. For soil subsoiling, soil aerator was used, and that machine provided compressed air about 10 liters per triggering at 60 centimeters depth, which blasted compressed air in 4 directions in the soil. This subsoiling was done along the rows at both sides. It was done every 60 meters away, and it was from 1.5 meters away from the vine. This is the machine for subsoiling, and that the probe goes down to the soil, and it can reach 80 centimeters depth in maximum, and we measure the soil hardness at each distance. You can see a hole and some cracks after subsoiling, and probably you can see some cracks created here, and that there are very thin cracks as well. This is the machine for the testing the soil hardness, and that proves goes down to the beneath the soil surface. So subsoiling directly affected the soil hardness. This is the control, and this is the reduced soil hardness. So among the distance, 45 centimeter away, the point was the most reduced, has the most reduced soil hardness. This reduced soil hardness lasted till 7 months later, even 14 months later. And when we tested the soil hardness, the tester probe could reach in a deeper area. When you, for example, when you see the 40 centimeters, the subsoiling treatment attained the 90% penetration ratio, compares to 40 to 45% in control. Soil porosity has increased after subsoiling. 7 months later, it was 15.9% higher. Even in 40 months later, it was higher, and 3.5%. When we did soil analysis, it shows that the organic matter increased, and also available phosphate has increased till even in 40 months later, it was quite high. And also we saw increased electric conductivity by the subsoiling treatment. When we traced some samples of fruits from the fruit set, the subsoiling has brought more commercial grade grade fruit size increased, which is over 80 gram. So we had more better per size, fruit size. The overall the fruit weight was a bit increased, and there was another tendency with the soluble tolerance content also a bit higher, and the flesh hue angle was a little bit reduced, which is good for the yellow color expression of gold kiwifruit. But these two was not statistically was not significantly different. Finally, when we took out some cylindrical soil samples from the subsoiled soil, we took a 50 centimeter long and 8 centimeter in diameter, and we sectioned into pieces, 5 pieces every 10 centimeter. And we collected some root cut from each section, and we counted the root cut. Although the sample was not big enough, sample size was not big enough, subsoiling treatments brought a very good result in terms of the formation of root underneath the soil after treatment. It had compared to the control, it had more root at the different at every and by the soil depths. So we think that the subsoiling contributed to this higher development of fine root system in short-term period. As a conclusion, subsoiling brought some benefits to soil in terms of soil physical as well as chemical properties, and it was effective in the hard fan soil breaking, and also increased the porosity. And also it was effective in the increase of organic matter content in the phosphate, and also increased electric conductivity in short term. So this improved soil texture, and the better formation of the fine root could result in a better fruit quality. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Is there a quick question? Otherwise, we really need to move on. Yeah, one quick question.
Have you tried injecting organic matter in at the same time? I wonder what effect that would have.
You mean the injecting the organic matters into the hole, or yeah? We actually sprayed the organic compost before treatment. So, and then we allow some irrigations. So that can be that can promote the incorporation of organic matters between the cracks. Yes.